Hello guys, back at Minecraft. Say something.
Oh, hello.
Hello.
Look at my taffy, so embracing. Give
at
it
my
a
taffy.
taste. Oh.
Guys, we have some theme songs ready. When we figure
But we're
out
not gonna sing them
when we
right
figure
now.
yeah, we can actually do it. Who cares?
Should we sing that?
No, actually not in the intros, but we have theme songs, which we are sometimes gonna play. One is, do you like taffies? Yes, I like
Yes, I like
taffies.
taffies. Do you like cookies? Yes, I like cookies.
Do you like explosives? Yes, I like explosives. Can't wait. Sorry. You're at the Taffy channel. Thanks, Artleus mom. She said I sang good. I don't think that's true. Wait, did you hear me?
No, I didn't hear
Oh.
you. Can you give me wooden planks?
How did you run out of wooden planks?
Don't know. Or maybe I have some in my chest. Yes, I have some in my chest.
Look at your inventory. Yeah.
Somebody teleported me.
Yes. They can't kill me. Mr. Blaze Man. Mr. Blaze Man. I'm gonna get out of here. Don't like this.
Can you teleport me with you?
Yes, I can. I'm gonna do it actually. I don't wanna be here. We're in dog's poo.
Uh-oh. There's a guy following me and he has a sword.
Uh-oh. We should get out of here, shouldn't we? I'm gonna get you out of this as fast as I can. Should I?
Yes, please.
I'm trying. Okay, you should be here. Let's go.
Whoa, where's, why are diamonds?
Someone put it there. Leave it alone. I can give you diamonds anywhere. Anytime. Anywhere. Where is our house? Why didn't we make a warp? I can't.
We can't.
Because I'm off.
Wait, do warps work?
I think so.
For, not ops?
No. You can warp to warps, but you can't make warps. I think I found our house.
Yeah, they wouldn't trust me. I have like 1,000 warps in Gussie.
Yes. I think we have arrived. You haven't.
I'm lost.
Yes, I will just teleport you to me when I'm at our house.
Dun, 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 dun. Oh, that's copyrighted.
This.
Yeah.
Ooh.
I think Para Noah is copyrighted for Gay Tonys.
Even though our houses aren't here, I found a pretty flat area.
No, find our houses.
I'm gonna show you it so you'll be completely sure. See this? Look how flat it is.
Yeah, but I want my house.
Fine. I can't see the diamond and gold tower.
I like one thing. I have too many items on the server and I don't crash. When you have too many items on the server, you will crash.
Yes. Here's a desert. Wasn't a desert near our place?
Yeah, it's the worst.
I've come a circle. Let's just follow this desert. Are you getting wood? Because I gave you quite a lot.
Nope, I'm killing sheep.
Oh. Leveling up. Oh no.
I wish I wasn't creative, then I could find a village.
I could make you go.
No, ask Marino King first.
No, I'm not.
You're so gonna be kicked.
Oh, it didn't work, so.
I think a op can't op another guy.
Yes, you can.
I'm gonna level up in level 6.
Yes, and I'm gonna quit now until we find our house. Goodbye.
Tell me on Skype when you find our houses. I'm gonna go in my single player puzzle map.
Okay, bye. Bye. Oh, you left the game.